Can my LLC just be my name? Yes, your LLC can simply be your personal name as long as it meets state naming requirements and is available. For example, you could register Emily Johnson LLC or Michael Brown LLC. This is common for freelancers, consultants, and personal brands who want liability protection while operating under their own name. However, using just your name may make the business feel less like a separate brand. So some people choose to add a descriptive word, like Emily Johnson Consulting LLC. Keep in mind that forming an LLC with your name doesn't automatically give you trademark rights. If you want to protect your name as a brand, you may also want to consider registering a trademark. Zen Business can help you form an LLC under your personal name or any business name you choose. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.